Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 is also a discount problem. It says Cypress weaves custom leashes to sell online. She charges $17 for each leash. As a bonus to loyal customers, Cypress offers a one-time discount of 35%. What is the discounted price for a leash? So again, it's a two-step process. I'm going to find 35% of the price, which is $17. So we're going to multiply the decimal form of 35%, which is 0.35, of means multiply, times the $17. So that will find out my savings. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the discount on the $17 will be $5.95. And the second part, now I'm going to take the $17 that was the original price, and I'm going to subtract out the amount of the discount, which is $5.95. If I punch that into a calculator, I will find out that the discounted price is $11.05. Again, I can use one step and run straight to the answer by saying 100% of the price, and I'm taking off 35% of the price, which would be 65% of the original price. So 0.65 times the $17 will get me directly to the $11.05, which is the discounted price of the leash.